everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add number of years to date in Google Sheet with formula. To add a number of years to a given date, you can apply the following formula. Select a blank cell where you want to put the result and enter the following formula. Start with the date function. It converts a provided year, month, and day into a date. Press tab. For the year, use the year function. It returns the year specified by a given date. Press tab. For the date, select cell A2, which is this date cell you want to add years. Close the bracket, plus select cell B2, which is the number of years you want to add to the date, comma. For the month, use the month function. It returns the month of the year a specific date falls in numeric format. For the date, select cell A2, close the bracket, comma, and for the day, use the day function. It returns the day of the month that the specific data falls on in numeric format. And for the date, select cell A2, close the bracket, again close the bracket for the date function, press enter, and then drag the fill handle down to the cells that you want to apply this formula, and you will get the result as you need. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.